Wednesday morning, April 29th. Louisiana versus Callais 6-3. Justice Kagan said, dead letter. Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act is on the books and not. John Lewis bled at the Pettus Bridge 61 years ago for that section. Today, the section died. Louisiana v. Callais, Wednesday morning 6-3.
Section 2 on the books.
Kagan said, dead letter on its knees.
John Lewis bled
at the Pettus Bridge in 1965 for the wreath.
61 years to the
funeral. Section 2 laid to rest with it.
Justice Alito wrote the opinion, 6 conservative signed. Kagan wrote the dissent, Sotomayor, Jackson aligned. Louisiana drew a map after the 2020 census fell. 2 majority-minority districts where the black vote could swell. The plaintiff said the line was racial. The state said this is the law. The court said the law itself was the constitutional flaw. Section 2 of the VRA, Congress amended in 82, explicitly removed the intent test, because intent could not be proved. Today the court re-injected intent without saying that they did. Kagan called it demolition, said the wrecking ball had finished mid-bid. Far-reaching and gray, she wrote without legal consequence, systematic dilution. A state can drown the black vote in arithmetic and call the math the Constitution. Louisiana v. Callais, Wednesday morning 6-3. Section 2 on the books.
Kagan said, dead letter on its knees.
John Lewis bled
at the Pettus Bridge in 1965 for the writ.
61 years to the
funeral. Section 2 laid to rest with it.
March 7th, 1965, bloody Sunday at Selma, Alabama. 600 marchers, the Edmund Pettus Bridge, state troopers, batons and trauma. John Lewis, 25 years old, skull cracked open on the cement. 50 stitches across his head. The footage wrote the country bent.
August 6, 65, Lyndon Johnson signed the act in the Oval Room. Section 5.
Pre-clearance, Section 2.
The protection of the franchise to whom?
2013 Shelby County v. Holder, Section 5. Gutted by the court.
Things have changed in the South.
Roberts wrote the South returned to the redistricting sport.
2026. Today, Louisiana v. Callais, Section 2.
Gutted by the court.
All but a dead letter.
Kagan wrote the demolition is finished. The work is short.
61 years from a bridge to a burial. The blood that bought the law dries on the page. The act loses its arterial. Louisiana v. Callais, Wednesday morning 6-3.
Section 2 on the books.
Kagan said, dead letter on its knees.
John Lewis bled
at the Pettus Bridge in 1965 for the writ.
61 years to the
funeral. Section 2 laid to rest with it.
Same week Trump blockaded Iran, Brent oil at 118
a barrel. Same week Comey indicted against
Seychelles, reading 86.47
on the gravel.
Same week EU told Meta
he failed to keep the miners out the channel.
Same week Seoul sent Yoon Suk Yeol
to 7 years for the martial law rehandle.
None of that landed where this landed.
The Voting Rights Act woke up alive,
slept dead by sundown.
6 justices, 1 pin,
the whole American sky.
John Lewis didn't live to see it. He died July 17, 2020. Bled in 65 for the section that died this Wednesday. The blood in the section both empty. Louisiana v. Callais, Wednesday morning 6-3.
Section 2 on the books.
Kagan said, dead letter on its knees.
John Lewis bled
at the Pettus Bridge in 1965 for the writ.
61 years to the
funeral. Section 2 laid to rest with it. Louisiana versus Callais,
6-3.
6-3.
Section 2 of the Voting Rights
Act of 1965.
alive on the page.
Dead on the floor.
61 years from a bridge to a court.
John Lewis bled.
The court erased.
The vote remains. The vote does not.